In today's fast-paced digital world, quick and easy access to information is essential. Web Assista is here to revolutionize your online experience. This powerful plugin integrates AI-powered chat and voice capabilities into websites, providing instant support and assistance. With Web Assista, you can have real-time conversations with websites, making your browsing experience more efficient and enjoyable. Go on and click on the Web Assista's plugin icon where you have two tabs, Info and Config. Click on Info where you can find different web pages of the website and you can enable those pages, and under Config you have this API key. You have the position where you can set the position of the chatbot, and you have Show Chat, which is to initially show the chat or not. And once you're done, you can simply click on Start over there. Okay, so after starting it, you can find the chatbot here on the bottom of the screen. If you just click on the icon, the chatbot will come and there you can ask your questions. So I'm asking my first question, which is what are the features of Gorilla? So here the data will be taken from the chosen pages. So once we've chosen certain pages and those data will be taken here. So let's wait for the reply. And here you can see the chatbot has replied as Gorilla is a comprehensive open source human resource management system and so on. So this is how it responds to you. Now after this, let's ask one more question. Okay, so it will be giving a very detailed answer for you to clarify your doubts. Next, let's try voice chat. So I'm asking, is it open source? And let's see what the answer the chat box is giving. As you can see, the response is given here. So as you can see, once you've customized everything you're liking, simply click the Save button to apply your configuration. Okay, and that's it. Your Web Assista chat box is now ready to go, providing your website visitors with real-time AI assistance. So there you have it. Web Assista, your AI-powered companion for a seamless online experience. With its intuitive interface and powerful AI capabilities, Web Assista is set to redefine how we interact with websites. Ready to elevate your browsing experience? Download Web Assista today and let the future of online interaction begin.